not, then welcome back. As you can see from the title of this video, we're about to get into these abstract nails. I did like this design. I saw it on Instagram, so I'm gonna let me try that. I also got this in the mail from Rosalind Gel Polish Kit, the company. And I got it about a month ago, but that's neither here nor there. Get into these nails though. These are nails I did, and I have not uploaded this video, but I needed to go ahead and get this rosin video out because, like I said, they sent me this a month ago, but I was in the middle of moving, or I was at the beginning stages of moving, and I ended up packing it away, and I recently found it, so I need to go ahead and get this out. It was out of sight, out of mind that whole time. I completely forgot about it, but here it is. We about to get into it, and I wanted to do something really quick because, again, I was supposed to been done put this out. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get into these nails and this rosin gel nail kit. All right, so y'all know it always comes with the directions and a couple of questions, how to remove and etc, etc. So you know, that's always a plus for me, you know, just in case you don't know something, you know, they have these little questions. It comes with 6 bottles of polish. Each one is 7 milliliters, so you do get a good amount. I will leave the link to this collection in the description box below. So let's just get into swatching these things. I did go ahead and mount some press-on nails so I can swatch these for y'all. And let's just get into it. So each color had like glitter in it, so I thought that was really cool. And the thing I love about this collection the most is, if you can tell, I'm not doing 2 coats on any of these polishes. Like, this is 1 coat and it's practically full coverage. Like, I want to say it's full coverage because I actually like the fact that, you know, the effect that the 1 layer gives. So it could definitely just go with 1 coat and be okay. I actually like these polishes. They are really, really good, really pigmented, and again, you can get away with 1 coat. These colors actually go with the design I have on my other hand, and I can't lie, had I found this package in time before I did this set, I probably would have used these because they have glitter in it already, and I just added a little glitter on the design that I did on the other hand. So I probably would have used these. They probably would have worked perfect, but I did not find them in time, so yeah, I'm doing a whole different set, and that's okay. Completely different video dedicated all to Rosalind. Let's go. So these are the 6 colors that I have, and I think that they were amazing. Again, 1 coat is all you really need, and it comes with 6 different polishes, and I will make sure to leave them in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and get into these nails. I have already prepped my natural nail bed, and being that I've done press-ons for years, I've found that distressing the inside of the false nails like this helps them last longer. So I'm going through each nail, distressing the inside of the nail, and once I'm done with this, I will move on to applying them. So I'm using my Fiznest. I'm using my peel-off base. Oh, sorry y'all, that's my alarm. I'm using my peel-off base. I don't want them to last that long, so, but I did distress the inside and my natural nail bed so they can at least last for 3 days, 3 or 4 days, something like that. So yeah, I went ahead and I applied them, and now I'm just going in and flushing the cuticles with my sanding band. That's just getting all of the excess glue that came out the sides. And then not only that, I want to, just like you would blend the false nail with your natural nail bed when you're adding regular tips, that's basically what I'm doing, is blending the the cuticle area of the false tip with my own natural nail bed so that it looks natural. I went ahead and distressed the surface of the nail. That just helps the gel adhere. And y'all gonna see me keep looking at my nails, but that's just because I cannot decide if I want to cut them down or not. I'm gonna add a layer of this builder gel, but before I do that, I realized that I probably need to shape a little bit more. I didn't like the shape. It just needs to be a little bit more crisp. Y'all know how I like it. So I went in with my 8080 grit file and just shaped up the sides a little bit more. At this point, I still did not know whether or not I wanted to cut them down, so you don't see me filing the tips. I decided to just go ahead and cut the tips off for now because, again, I did not know if I wanted to keep this length, but I didn't want to cut too much just in case I did. So I just went ahead and cut the very, very tip part off so I wouldn't have to file that. And now I'm going to go in with my Lenovo Builder Gel, and I'm just going to add one layer of this. This is just going to give the nail the sturdiness that it needs to make it way more harder than what it is so that it doesn't bend, like if I bump it into something or something like that. And normally when I'm doing my regular press-ons, like for customers when they order, I do maybe 2 or 3 layers of this depending on the design. If the design requires a lot of gel, I probably won't do 2 or 3. I just probably do 1, then do the design, then do another on the top so I can shape it, and then do the base coat, the top coat and stuff. But because it's me and I'm not keeping them on long, I'm just doing 1 layer just for the sturdiness that I need, and I'm going to continue the design from there instead of adding so many layers. So now that I've cured that for the time suggested, I'm going to go in with my 8080 grit file again and just make sure I am keeping my shape. I did do a layer on top, so the shape could have got a little distorted. I'm just going through making sure everything is clean like I like it. Okay, so I wanted a matte background, so I'm going in with my Joy T matte top coat. I don't recommend this for clients. I use this for myself and my practice hand, and I'm going to show you guys why in just a second. But anywho, so I'm going in with that, and I'm cleaning off the sides just to make sure I don't cure anything on my skin. And if you can see on the bottom of the nail, I just cleaned it up with some alcohol, so it made it turn white like that, but that's okay. I'm going to fix it in a minute. In order to fix this, I'm just going to take some top coat from Beetles, and I'm going to go over the bottom of the nail just so I can get rid of that white and also just get a smoother application look, because the nails are going to be see-through, so it's just better. It gives it a better glass look if you do the bottom as well as the top of the nail. Because of trial and error, I've learned that I don't like this for my clients. And if you could tell, it has like a yellowish tint once it dries. I know you probably can't really see it, but it really does. Like if you put it right next to a different matte, the other matte probably won't have that. So that is why I don't like this matte, because it gives like a yellowish tint. Okay, so I'm going to be using 5 of these colors. Obviously, I only have 5 fingers, and I want each finger to have one color. I'm basically just going to mirror my other hand because there is a design that I like that I saw on Instagram, but I also didn't want to think too much about colors or patterns or anything like that. So I'm just going to go with what I already have on my other hand: orange on the thumb, pink on the pointer, green on the pinky. You know, we're going to do it the same way and go from there. So these I'm just doing these abstract lines with the gel polish. This gel polish is not a liner gel, obviously, so it's not that good for drawing. It's not as thick as you would like it to be if you wanted to use it for drawing. But it's not a bad polish at all. Again, even with these lines, all I needed was 1 coat. I did not use more than that, and I thought that was great, especially since there was not even a background color for it to sit on top of. It's just literally clear behind that, and the line still did not need a second coat. So that's a plus for me with these polishers. Please don't judge my lines. I'm doing this with my left hand, y'all. I'm doing the best that I can. I actually surprised myself the fact that I'm trying to do lines with my left hand. So I think I did okay with my left hand. I don't know how, but I got a little pink on the blue. But at this point, y'all, I did not even care. I was just ready to go to bed. I'm going to use the matte again, just to go over the entire nail. I wasn't going to do this, but I painted the pinky nail matte just to see what it looked like, and I didn't think it was that bad. So I just went ahead and painted all the nails matte on the top. Now I'm just cleaning the cuticle area, getting all that extra gel polish out of there. And I'm gonna go in and add some cuticle oil, and that is basically it for this video, y'all. If y'all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content that I put out. I will be sure to leave all the things that I used in the description box below, so you guys can click on that if you've seen anything that you like, especially the collection, the rosin collection. I'll leave that in the link as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.